This is going to be the embracement for the brotherhood and the peace for the Muslim people's celebration day, Eid ul-Fitr. First, we're going to draw the the cap on the top, which is usually they put on the hair. Then I'm going to draw the face. You can see, awesome. This is the eye. Okay, and the hair, ear, everything's fine, looks good. You can see the collars here. And this is the hand just moving to the upwards directions. All right, this is the end line, and we're just extending this part here. Okay, and just drawing the outlines like this. And another person I'm going to draw here. So this is the shoulder of that person. Okay, and the hands on the side, and this hand is just embracing him. So draw something like this, and the head of the other guy is looking like this one. So he is wearing a round shaped cap, and you can see the nose and the face here. Okay, so as you know, he is holding here on the back, so the dress is going to be like this. Okay, and his hands is coming up here and holding him. So there's the both people are looking for peace. Okay, so you can see the hands. Okay, and the collar, and the other hand you can see here. Okay, coming from on the other side, and here you can see the details and the hands here. Okay, and the dress you can see there's bottom part of the dress, special types of square pocket. Also here you can see the special types of square pocket. Okay, so two people, they're just holding each other. So for the lower part, bottom part of the dress, you can see just putting some special types of hatches. There's just simple hatches here, and the other guy just put something like the grid pattern at the bottom. Okay, so very simple drawing. You can see here, if I zoom a little bit, so there's the flavor. So usually they call it Eid Mubarak. So I'm writing here on the top, that's called Eid, Mubarak. That's the celebrations day for the Muslim peoples. So it's a very simple and cozy drawing, very nice drawing. If you like to add some details, you can just put something like the shades and the shadows, and the drawing is going to be more lively. But for the simple outline, this is a very nice drawing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.